Stop by and take a look at the 2019 BMW 8 Series. BMW 8 Series was born to cover lots of road and in a hurry. The 8 Series comes with a powerful engine that you expect with a BMW. It was BMW's flagship car and was one of the first vehicles to be fitted with an electronic fly-by-wire throttle. Born for speed and is priced below $125,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.